The tectonic forces that are continually reshaping our planet can destroy, but they also create. On the last stop on Nick Isle's journey around the western rim of the Pacific, he heads back to New Zealand, but this time to the South Island, to explore this process at work on a massive scale. As always in geology, it's the landscape that tells the story. There were no rivers on this scale on the North Island. So why are they here? And what do they bring? To find out, Nick meets with geologist and New Zealand prospector John Youngson.
Very steep. Huge ball.
Further inland, there are ice-covered mountains, sediment-laden rivers, and deep, cold lakes. The Alps are the epicenter of a titanic battle where glaciers tear down what tectonics constructs.
So John, when were you last here?
Well, over 20 years ago, back in the days when I ran around these mountains doing quite a bit of climbing.
So how do you read that landscape in terms of the processes that are at work?
Yeah, oh, it's fantastic here, Nick. This is plate tectonics at work. We can actually see into the engine room, if you like, of the collision zone between the Pacific plate here and just over the ridge, over the main divide, we've got the Australian plate. We're in a sea of greywacke. This is the medium that we're so familiar with in New Zealand. And it's literally being pushed up, and the maximum rate of uplift is about 10 millimeters a year. Doesn't seem much, but over millions of years, that amounts to a huge amount of uplift.